Happy learning! Today we're going to do the following question. A 40-foot chain weighs 1,000 pounds and is hauled up to the deck of a boat. The chain is oriented vertically and the top of the chain starts 30 feet below the deck. Compute the work done. Okay, so this one won't be too bad once we could set up the appropriate integral. So how I'm going to start is I'm going to take our chain and I'm going to say, all right, the bottom of the chain corresponds to x equals 0. The top of the chain corresponds to x equals 40. Okay, and now notice different parts of the chains have to travel different distances. Right, the top of the chain is only going to have to travel 30 feet, where the bottom is going to have to travel 40 feet plus an additional 30 feet. So I'm going to take this chain and I'm going to break it up into a bunch of layers. Each layer is going to have length of delta x, which is equal to the length of the entire chain, 40 feet, over the number of layers, which we're going to say is n. Okay, and so our goal is to find the weight of each layer. That's going to be our force. We're going to multiply that by the distance the layer has to travel, and then add up all of those. It's going to become an integral. Okay, so to find the weight of each layer, it's just the density of the chain. So the density of the chain is 1,000 over 40. So 1,000 pounds over 40 feet, which is 25 pounds per foot. And the weight of layer I is just 25 delta x, because this is in feet. Okay, the distance of layer I well, let's say C sub I is its corresponding position that we're going to say it's identified to. That's going to be 70 minus C sub I. So how did I get this? Well, we wanted 40 to go a distance of 30. So 70 minus 40 is 30. We wanted 0 to go a distance of 70. Okay, and so now we're done. We know the work is approximately the sum from I equals 1 to n of the force, which is our weight, times the distance. And then if we take the limit as the number of layers goes to infinity, we have the work is exactly equal to the integral from the bottom of the chain to the top of the chain of our function here. C sub I is going to be x, and delta x is dx. All right, and this is much easier to evaluate. Okay, so this is equal to 25 times the integral from 0 to 40, 70 minus x dx. And then when we sub in the endpoints, we get 50,000 foot-pounds. Well, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing, because I'll have more calculus videos coming through. Thanks for watching. See you later.